Little storyteller.
Our story begins in a cozy little house, filled with the comforting smell of old wood and sweet tea. This is where Lily, a girl with bright eyes and a giggle like tinkling bells, lived with her Grandpa George. Grandpa George was a wonderful inventor. He made all sorts of amazing things, but his most special creation was a little clockwork sparrow named Pip. Pip had shiny brass feathers and bright blue glass eyes. He would hop and chirp when you wound him up with a tiny key. One sunny morning, Lily found Pip sitting on Grandpa George's empty workbench. Grandpa George had gone on a long trip to visit the stars. As he liked to say, Lily missed him very much. She gently picked up Pip. He felt cool and smooth in her hands. As she turned the tiny key on Pip's side, she noticed something strange. One of his shiny feathers seemed a little loose. Carefully, Lily wiggled the loose feather. It popped open, and inside, curled up tiny as a ladybug's wing, was a little piece of paper. Lily gently unfolded it. It was a map. The map was drawn in wobbly lines and showed their house and the garden behind it. A little X marked a spot near the big oak tree. Excitedly, Lily ran outside. The garden was full of colorful flowers and buzzing bees. A fluffy white bunny with long floppy ears nibbled on clover near a sparkling blue pond. Lily followed the map, her heart thumping with curiosity. She walked past the bright red roses and the tall yellow sunflowers until she reached the big old oak tree. At the base of the oak tree, hidden amongst the roots, Lily found a tiny wooden door. It was just big enough for her to peek through. Carefully, she pushed it open. Inside, she saw a warm and cozy workshop. It was filled with amazing gadgets, half-finished inventions, and shelves stacked high with colorful tools. This was Grandpa George's secret workshop. On a small table, Lily saw a note with her name on it. She opened it eagerly. It said, "My dearest Lily, if you are reading this, you have found my secret place. Remember, the most wonderful discoveries are often hidden in plain sight. Keep being curious, and always look closely at the world around you. With lots of love, Grandpa George." Lily smiled. She knew Grandpa George would be so happy she had solved Pip's secret. She spent the rest of the afternoon exploring the wonderful workshop, feeling closer to her grandpa than ever before. She learned that even the smallest things, like a tiny clockwork sparrow, can hold big secrets and lead to amazing discoveries. It reminded her to always pay attention to the little details, because you never know what wonderful things you might find.
Please subscribe. Thank you.